Want to make a cool 3D dotted sphere in Adobe Illustrator in under 10 steps? Let me show you how. Step 1. Draw a circle and apply a gradient to it. Step 2. Change its raster settings to 150 ppi. Step 3. Apply a halftone effect, then expand the appearance. Step 4. Convert the halftone into vector dots using image trace check ignore white. Step 5. Drag the result into the symbols panel to make it a symbol. Step 6. Draw another circle and cut it in half. Step 7. Apply the 3D Revolve Effect to the half circle. Step 8. In the Materials tab, load the symbol you created and tick Invisible Geometry. Step 9. Remove lighting and render it as a vector. And that's it. You've just made a 3D dotted sphere in Illustrator in only a few simple steps. Do you want me to show you how to animate this sphere next? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and cool Illustrator tips.